Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a soft, moist, and delicious classic butter cake. This recipe is very easy to follow and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Grease and line your cake pan with baking paper. I'm greasing the baking pan with butter, covering the bottom and all the sides evenly. This will help the cake release easily after baking. Today, I'm using an 8 by 8 inch pan. Make sure you grease the sides so the cake doesn't stick. Now, the pan is ready for baking. Now, I'm taking another bowl. Into this, I add 230 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I mix all the dry ingredients together. I'm using salted butter today. If you use unsalted butter, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now, I'm sifting the flour mixture. Sifting helps remove any lumps and makes the batter light and smooth. Now, I'm mixing the flour mixture again to make sure it's completely smooth and free of lumps. This step will help create a light and airy cake. Cover the mixture and set aside. Now, let's make homemade buttermilk. In a small bowl, add 1/4 cup of milk and 1½ tablespoon of vinegar. I mix it gently and let it sit for about 5 minutes until it thickens slightly. This is our homemade buttermilk, which will make the cake soft and tender. Now, I'm beating the eggs together with the vanilla extract. Once combined, eggs are emulsifiers. Whisking them first helps create a smooth, uniform liquid that can be incorporated more easily into the butter-sugar mixture. In another bowl I add 250 grams of salted butter. The butter should be at room temperature. I beat it for 1 minute until it is smooth and creamy. Now, add 230 grams of sugar and beat it together with the butter until the mixture becomes light, creamy, and fluffy. Scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl to ensure everything is well combined. Continue beating on low speed for 5 to 6 minutes, until the mixture is light, creamy, and fluffy. Now, gradually add the prepared egg mixture while beating on low speed. Add the egg mixture in batches, adding the next portion only after each addition is fully incorporated.
Once all the eggs are fully incorporated, add the flour mixture and fold gently until just combined.
Gently fold the batter and avoid over-mixing to keep it light and fluffy. Fold in the prepared buttermilk carefully, keeping the batter light and airy. The batter's ready. See how smooth it looks. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and bake at 150 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, for 50 to 60 minutes. Oven temperatures may vary, so check with a skewer. It should come out clean when the cake is done. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Here is our soft and delicious butter cake. Perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. Allow the cake to cool a bit, slice it, and enjoy your delicious creation. Look, it's so soft and delicious. You should definitely try this recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.